Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Mohar M. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another very inspirational video. The video I bought for you today is about Rani Rudrama Devi, monarch of the Kakatiya dynasty in the Deccan Plateau from 1263 AD to 1295 AD, one of the few women monarchs of India. I will share more about her shortly, but before we go on to her inspirational story, let me share with you a brief about the channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I started this channel in May 2020 to share with you inspirational stories of mankind at their very best. Our mission is to inspire the present and coming generations to live by the eternal human principles. These principles, such as honesty, integrity, respect for diversity, respect for our elders, respect for womankind, are etched in stone and do not change over time and place. Living by these eternal human principles is the only way to sure shot success in life. Towards this aim, we share with you true inspirational stories of mankind at their very best in your very own YouTube channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. We also have a Facebook and WhatsApp groups where we have about 850 and 210 members respectively, and we share their daily inspiration. The links of them are given in the description in the video below. You're most welcome to join up. In this short span, we've got over 500 subscribers. First off, I would like to say thank you to all of you, those who have already subscribed to my channel, 585 subscribers. And I also request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel or have come onto the channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to the channel, join our mission of inspiring the present and coming generations, and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too are inspired to join our mission of living by principles. Coming back to our story, Rani Rudrama, one of the few Indian monarchs of India. She ruled from the capital Warangal in Telangana and was monarch of the Kakatiya dynasty in the Deccan Plateau from 1263 AD to 1295 AD. She was born to King Ganpati Devi. She was the only child. King Ganpati Deva was the ruler of the Kakatiya dynasty with the capital in the city of Warangal. The king had no sons, so he performed Potrika ceremony, designated his daughter Rudrama Devi as a son Rudra Deva, and declared her as his co-regent and successor. She ruled as a co-regent with her father. She wore a male attire and maintained a demeanor of a male ruler. During this period, the Pandyans invaded their kingdom and they suffered huge losses and loss of territory. Her father withdrew from public life and handed over the reign to Rudrama from 1261. In 1266, she lost her father and faced oppositions from her step brothers who rebelled against her, but she overcame the rebellion. Despite her gender, she is among India's greatest warriors, greatest ever warriors. She captured important forts such as Rinadu, Eravu, Mulika Nadu, and Sati. She recruited for the army and administration among the commoners, breaking from the past of taking only from the nobles and She did this to reduce her dependence on the nobles and earn the trust and loyalty of her people and the commoners. She strengthened her fort at Warangal. She increased the height of her main wall, also added a secondary wall of 2.4 kilometer diameter, and added an additional moat to her fort, which is 150 feet wide. She was challenged thereafter by the Eastern Ganga dynasty and the Yadavas. She repelled them and forced the Eastern Ganga dynasty to retreat beyond the Godavari River by 1270. She also defeated the Yadavas and forced them to cede territory and pay huge taxes and compensation. Marco Polo, who visited her kingdom between 1289 to 93, made notes of her reign and was full of praise for her administrative caliber and her ability to gain the trust and respect among other rulers. He wrote, she also had the trust and respect of the common people. Rani Rudrama Devi, monarch of the Kakatiya dynasty from 1263 AD till her death in 1295 AD, a truly inspirational woman and one of the few women monarchs in the Indian subcontinent. She is a epitome of woman empowerment for generations of women to come. Friends, not all of us can be like Rani Rudrama Devi, who can make a difference to the life of millions of people. But I'm a strong proponent of the concept of difference to one. It means scan your neighborhood, check out the people who are facing difficulties, and lend a helping hand to anyone in your neighborhood. Your random act of kindness will go a long way in mankind overcoming the COVID 19 pandemic, which has cost mankind hugely in terms of economic as well as lives. Friends, I'm sure you find the videos which I bring for you very inspirational. I request you once again, kindly do subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family. Encourage them also to subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to ensure that the present and coming generations live by the eternal human principles. Till we meet again with another very inspirational video on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Good luck, all the best, stay safe.